Hi! Have you ever felt the need for guidance during the app development journey in Zoho Creator? Doubts can be overwhelming, and that's where Support Access comes in. This feature enables you to collaborate closely with our support team, allowing them to gain a first-hand experience of any issues you may encounter. In this video, we'll go through the step-by-step process on how to grant and revoke support access to the Creator support experts. Enabling the Support Access feature for your Zoho Creator app grants exclusive access to the Zoho Creator support team limited to the specified app. This access is granted without jeopardizing the confidentiality of other applications in your account or the data within your application. You have the flexibility to define the duration for which the application remains accessible, and access will be automatically revoked upon the expiration of the specified period. For the demonstration, let's provide support access to the Zilker order management application. From the dashboard, navigate to Operations and select Support Access under Applications. Click the Grant Access button, select the application for which support access is required, and specify the duration of support access from the Revoke After drop-down. Support access has now been granted and is displayed in the Support Access menu. To grant support access to additional applications, click the Grant Access button at the top right corner and repeat the same process. Once access is granted, our support team will be able to access your application and provide you with the required support. For accounts with environments enabled, it's essential to note that granting support access provides the support team with full access to your application across all three environments: development, stage, and production. After you have received the required support from our support team, you may revoke the support access to the app if you wish. Simply click on the Revoke button and then click on Revoke Access in the pop-up. Now, our support team will no longer be able to access your application. Therefore, through the use of the Support Access feature, you can securely collaborate with our support team by granting targeted access for troubleshooting and efficiently resolving issues, thus enhancing the overall resolution process. We hope this video helps you through the troubleshooting process, ensuring a secure collaboration with our team. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.